Hi, Chichat fam. Hey, my loves. Welcome back to another episode with Ish. So, guys, today, as always, we are talking about my titi na mai vavo avo vakazoenda kubohera kumusha kwavo for the first time baba vashaiga, and my titi was saying the feeling is not the same because tatajara kwenda as a family with the dad and with the mom, but I'm happy because they are enjoying their life there. They are trying to worship God variko vachiripa Mwari rumbidzo as she is preparing for the album launch on 26 October, and I'm super happy, guys. Vana vakafanana, look at them, oh my god, vakaita kufanana zvisingaite. And on the comment section they were saying, my titi, please keep checking on your mom, keep being with her always and every day, which is the greatest thing, so that they didn't feel kuti mwao akavasiya. But guys, before we go any further, please smash that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up as a token of appreciation. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I'm going to post here, guys, because I always post here and I always post here like the best. I always deliver. Apa vari kubohera, vari kumboenda kumusha, and vanhu vari kutaura kuti aiwa kasadza repamoto rinonaka. So keep doing good, my TT. Keep doing the great for your mom, because she's now the only parent as Sarah, and vanhu vangu vachiti may the Almighty bless you and your mom. It's hard kurasikirwa nemubereki, it's hard. It's a blessing actually to have your mother by your side, which is very true, guys. It's actually a blessing. To all those with both parents, you guys, you are very lucky, and you need to always praise God. You need to always thank God for all of that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, guys. Bye.